Hey makers, it's Charlotte with Makesy. Let's get down to business. Today, I'm going to answer the question, do you need an LLC or a limited liability corporation in order to sell candles? All right, let's get straight to it. The legal answer is no. I'm not a lawyer, I have to give you that disclaimer. You can sell your candles as a sole proprietorship. So let's talk about what an LLC does for you and what it doesn't do for you, and the things that you really need to have in place in order to start selling product. First of all, a limited liability corporation is basically a separation between your personal assets and your business assets. And what that does is provide protection or liability protection for you so that if you have a candle with an issue or any product with an issue, then the business assets are at risk and not your personal assets. There are a few things you can do as you're getting started before you set up an LLC that can help protect your business anyways. First of all, what are the things that you need to get started selling candles? This is the most important stuff. Number one, you need a product label that is compliant with regulations. The product label should state clearly what the product is and what the net weight is, meaning what is the weight of my wax, fragrance inside of this candle, not including the weight of the jar. So that might be 7 ounces, 10 ounces. You can normally find that information out from the manufacturer of whoever you're purchasing your jars from. Plus, you can always test it yourself on a scale. So correct product information. Your candles should also include a safety label. So safety label will include some pictograms and some warnings so that wherever your candles are getting distributed, people understand how to burn them safely. On your warning label, you should also include some way for that customer to find you. So contact information, your city, state, and zip code. The next thing that you need to do is be compliant with taxes. This is one that a lot of people miss when they're getting started. If you want to sell your products, you need to obtain a seller's permit and you need to collect and remit taxes to the state based on your local laws. So if you are selling a product, find out what your local tax laws are. In many states, there is something called a nexus, which is a dollar amount that you need to exceed in order to have to start collecting taxes. So go online, find out that information, and make sure that you are compliant with taxes. Third, and in my mind, the biggest, most important thing that you need in order to start selling your candles is liability insurance. So we talked about what an LLC does. It separates your business assets and your personal assets, but it doesn't give you complete protection from liability. You need product liability insurance if you are selling a product like a candle, a soap, a diffuser, a room spray, body care products. If they're going out into the world, you should have liability insurance for them. There are several sites online that you can get fairly low-cost liability insurance. One of the ones that I often recommend is called Next Insurance. So if you have no options that you've heard of before, check out Next Insurance. They work with many small businesses and many Makesy customers in these product categories. But make sure that you get liability insurance. Long story short, you don't need an LLC in order to sell your products. You can sell your products as what's called a sole proprietor. But once you get to a certain level where you're doing business with wholesale accounts or retailers, it is a good move to set up an LLC to separate your business and your personal assets to protect yourself, your family, and all of your personal investments as well. I hope this video helped you guys. I'd love to hear what structure you have your business set up and any advice you would give to a new candle maker on how to set themselves up for success from a legal perspective. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now go make it happen.